Velomat, assembly automation. Automatic assembly solutions with the latest technology, a result of the resources invested in over 30 years and know-how developed with the construction and installation of more than 600 machines in Italy and abroad. Velomat has developed its innovative cloud system that guarantees efficiency. Velomat Cloud System has been developed for sharing with all the departments, as well as the client's real-time specific information and progress of the manufacturing process. This allows the project management to give support during the engineering phases and during machine construction. Velomat Cloud System allows prompt management of any variations during construction. All of this is very important for complying with delivery deadlines and any proposed solutions able to exceed the expectations of the customer. Easy to use, high production speed, high accuracy, durability, low operating costs are the benefits that Velomat guarantees to every customer through their innovative solutions and an ongoing research that has allowed the development and the availability of high reliability proprietary standard modules. 30 years of experience, a young and enterprising team that designs and manufactures assembling machines as well as systems with the use of technology to ensure high performance, high flexibility, and rapid and simplified conversion procedures. Continuous kinematics with a production rate of up to 1,500 pieces per minute. Rotating table with a production rate of up to 450 minute pieces. Index linear with a production rate of up to 60 minute pieces. Design and manufacturing capabilities which position Velomat at the top of its industry. Owner of and patented assembly technologies, vision systems for operations control, leakage control systems, low maintenance costs and energy consumption, minimum inertia on moving parts, systems suitable for operation in the clean room, layout with minimum space. The realization and the installation of each plant is followed by a thorough after-sales service that assists the client with staff training, with continuous monitoring of remote assistance, Velomat proprietary, for real-time diagnostics and function restoring, with direct assistance of specialized personnel, with a quick delivery service of spare parts. High speed, high precision, innovative technologies, advanced controls, construction quality, high reliability, over 30 years of experience. Velomat, assembly automation.